I am a year-old kid, I'm not scarcely 20 quid in. I'm the kind of beast you might well look down on. But my value will increase at the time of my decease. For when I grow up, I want to be a bodhran. Well, if you kill me for me meat, you won't find me very sweet. On your palate, I'm afraid I'll soon turn sour on. Oh, but if you do me in for the sake of my thick skin, you will find I make a very tasty bodhran. Well, me parents bidding Nanny to do not approve this plan, to become a yoke for every yacht pound on. Oh, but I was sooner scamper with a bang than with a whimper, and achieve reincarnation as a bodhran. Well, I look forward to the day when I leave off eating hay and become a drum to entertain a crowd on. And I'll make my presence felt with each well-delivered belt as a fully qualified and licensed bodhran. And 'tis when I'm killed and cured, my career will be assured. For I've a kind of skin you find no scum or scar on, and with studs around me rim, I'll be sound of wind and limb, and I'll make a handy-dandy little bodhran. Well, me heart with joy expands when I think of far-off lands, and considers all the streets that I will sound on, and I pity my poor neck, who will never see a flare, or indulging for a traveller's bodhran. Well, a hornpipe or a reel, a dead donkey has no feel, or a horse or cow or sheep that has its shroud on, and you can't join in the jig as a former grade pig, but you can wallop out the lot if you're well, a cat's lives, they are 9, but they are not very fine, and a dog has much material to growl on, but 'tis when you are a goat, you can strike a merry note. That's provided you have first become a bodhran. Now if you're ever feeling low, to a session you should go, and take me there to exercise an hour on, and you can strike a mighty thump on me belly, back or rump. But I thank you all to wait till I'm a bodhran. When I dedicate my hide, I'll enhance my family's pride, and tradition is a thing I won't fall down on, and I'll bear a few young bucks who'll inherit my good looks, and be proud to know their old one was a bodhran. And I don't think he'd mind if I leave himself behind, or regret I can no longer turn the power on, and with the Celtic ink design tattooed on my behind, I will make a very successful bodhran. Now I think you've had enough of this rubbish young guff, so I put a sudden into my way out wrong, and quite soon my bloody bleed will become a steady beat when I start my new existence as a bodhran.